Welcome to my channel. This video specially making for present class 10 children. So please share this video to all of your class 10 friends. Do like, comment and subscribe my channel. Here we are going to see class 10 maths sample paper 2021 and its solutions. From statistics chapter 14, 2 questions of each 3 marks are asked. Let's see the solution of those problems. First problem. Question number 31 in the sample paper. Question, please carefully read. The median of the following data is 16. Find the missing frequencies A and B if the total of the frequencies is 70. So the question is asked on median. So this question asked for 3 marks. So median given to us, two unknown frequencies A and B involved in the data. They're asking us find out A and B. Total frequency is given 70. If you observe table, class given 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40. Frequencies 12A, 12, 15, B, 6, 6, 4 given to us. So whenever median based problem asking time, you should find out cumulative frequency. Let's make a table of 3 columns. First column class interval, second column frequency, third one cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency is nothing but summation of all previous frequencies. Let's see the cumulative frequency how to find. So for the class interval 0 to 5, frequency is 12, cumulative frequency also 12 only. For 5 to 10, frequency is 10, cumulative frequency is 12 plus A. How? The previous is 12, present is A. Both need to add, so 12 plus A. For 10 to 15, present frequency is 12, so previous already 12 plus A plus 12. So these 3 need to add, so you will get 24 plus A. 15 to 20, 15 plus previous all. If you add means 39 plus A will come. For the class 20 to 25, the frequency is B, previous all and that B if you add means you will get 39 plus A plus B. For class 25 to 30, present frequency is 6 and the previous frequencies and 6 if you add means you will get 45 plus A plus B. For class 35 to 30 to 35, present frequency is 6. You have to add previous all frequencies to 6 so that you will get 51 plus A plus B. 35 to 40, present is 4, previous all frequencies plus present if we add means 55 plus A plus B. They given to us sum of the all frequencies. If entire this column add means you will get sum of the all frequencies, that is sigma f, that is equal to n, given to us 70. Sum of the all frequencies is nothing but cumulative frequency of last class interval, that is 55 plus A plus B is equal to 70. From here we can find A plus B is equal to 55 transpose means 70 minus 55 will give you 15. Let us take it as equation 1. Now for finding median of group data, you should know the formula. Here I attached a formula to you, very important formula. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Each letter, significance and importance, everything I will tell you. What is L, what is N, what is CF, what is F, what is H, everything I will tell you. So carefully please note down. Before going to find L, N, CF, F, H, you have to know what is median class. You have to find median class. And they given in the problem, given that median is equal to 16. In problem itself they gave 16 is the median. So the 16 will lie in this interval. So this entire row put as a box. So this is called median class. MC, median class. So median class is equal to 15 to 20. Now each letter I am telling you. L means lower limit of the median class. Lower limit is 15. So L is equal to 15. Next N. N already you know, N is 70. Next one CF. C means cumulative, F means frequency. Cumulative frequency of previous class. So this is your previous class cumulative frequency. This is known as CF. So CF is equal to 24 plus A. Next F means frequency of the median class. So the frequency of the median class is nothing but 15. So F is 15. H is class size. So this median class size 15 to 20. So size is nothing but 5. So upper limit minus lower limit will give you size. So these all values put in this formula so that you will get A value. Let's apply all the values in this above formula. So median given 16. So 16 is equal to L. L means 15 plus N by 2. N is 70. 70 by 2 means 35 minus CF. CF means 24 plus A minus if you apply means minus 24 minus A by F. F means 15 into H is 5. So let's simplify. So 5 ones are here, 5 3s are we can cancel. So 15 take and come. 16 minus 15 is 1. So 1 is equal to 35 minus 24 is 11. 11 minus A by 3. So from these 3 will go and it will multiply. So A value will be equal to 11 minus 3. So A is equal to 8. So the value of A is 8. So once if you get value of A 8, so put in that equation 1. So A is 8 plus B is equal to 15. So that B is equal to 15 minus 8, that is 7. So the values of A and B are 8 and 7. That's it. This is given for 3 marks in the sample paper. So this question every student must do. Next question. So question number 33 in sample paper. So let's read it. The mode of the following data is 67. The question is asked on mode. Find the missing frequency X. So missing frequency X they are asking us. So class if you see means class interval 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90 given to us. Frequencies 5x, 15, 12, 7 given to us. So they are asking question on mode. This question also asked for 3 marks in the sample paper. Let's see the solution. So this table again you have to draw in your answer sheet. So let's see, you have to draw like this. So 2 columns, first column class interval 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90. Frequency 5x, 15, 12, 7. So given to us, what given? Mode given. Mode is equal to 67. So once mode given, immediately we can find out model class. So 60 to 70. So mode 67 will lie in between 60 to 70. So this is your model class. So this is your model class. So let's mark model class. After marking model class, you should know the formula to find mode. So we know very well this is very important formula. Every children should note down, should remember. So mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. This formula everyone need to remember. So in this formula, different unknown values we have, that is L, F1, F0, F2, H. So everything I will tell you carefully, follow me. So first of all, L. L is nothing but lower limit of model class. So the lower limit is 60. So L is equal to 60. Next, F1. F1 is the frequency of the model class. So this is your F1. So F1 is 15. F0. F0 is the frequency of the preceding model class. So this is your F0. So F0 is X. F2. F2 is the frequency of the successor or next model class. So that is 12. Next to model class. So that is your F2. F2 is 12. And H. H you know very well, class size. So 60 to 70 is the model class. So H will be 10. Upper limit minus lower limit will give you 10. So these are all values put here. Easily you will get X value. So mode given 67. So 67 is equal to L means 60 plus F1. F1 is 15 minus F0 is X by 2F1. So 2 into 15, 30 minus F0 is X minus F2 is 12 into H. H is 10. So this take and come means subtract. So 7 will come. 7 is equal to 15 minus X by 30 minus 12 will give you 18. 18 minus X into 10. So denominator just transpose, it will multiply. So 7 into 18 will give you 126 minus 7x is equal to 10 multiply numerator 150 minus 10x. So 10x take and come plus 10x. 10x minus 7x will be 3x, that is equal to this take and go. 150 minus 126 is 24. So x will be 8. So therefore the value of x, unknown value of x is equal to 8. That's complete our problem. Very easy problem asked for 3 marks. So hope you understand these two problems.